Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Snowsin, and today I know it's been a while since my last video because, well, the same excuse as the as usual, work stuff. I've been pretty busy these days, so yeah, I know it's the same excuse every single video, but yeah, since this is a reaction video, it will be easy and quick to edit, so I will make time to do a reaction to this. So both on their official channel just uploaded a the December update trailer. So yeah, they uploaded this 34 minutes ago. So yeah, we're going to do a reaction. This will be my first time reacting as well. Let's make sure everything works great. Right, everything is at 100% volume, and yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's the hey Kuznetsov Su-33 Rodney, HMS Rodney. Oh. This is exciting. Thor. A Su-33 carrier-based flanker. Beautiful aircraft. Canards. This gives me F-16 vibes. Ooh, Typhoon. Here we go. Luftwaffe emblem. Chippy bomb. Oof. New Italian. Oh, Rodney, the Rafale. Hello. How are you doing, Rafale? Beautiful aircraft, man. Hey, trust factoring. Every once in a while, US gotta take the L, man. This time, this is the European nation update. We got Eurofighter Typhoon for the German. We have the Luftwaffe emblem, and then we got the Rafale from for the Frenchies as well. And then we get the Su-33 and the Kuznetsov aircraft carrier for the USSR or the Soviet nation. And beautiful, beautiful aircraft. Okay, let's see. M9 definitely. General purpose bombs, and what are those? Are those brimstones, or I don't know. I don't know what these articular missiles are. But as you can see, this is the Luftwaffe emblem. This is the M120. Beautiful, beautiful aircraft, man. HMS Rodney, and then we got the French Navy Rafale. I don't know which variant are these. Is it the Rafale M or the C, or what variant? Germany is so back. Welcome to Germany. Top tier aircraft. Finally, after struggling with F4 Ice, you guys finally get your own update. This is the NATO update, I would say. Because the Typhoon and Rafale, the top aircraft for NATO nations. And yeah, it will be a pretty exciting update. Storm warning. We got a typhoon incoming. Pretty fitting. So yeah, and I'm pretty excited for the update and to show you how far my progress goes. Let me switch to the my War Thunder game. Yeah, welcome to my War Thunder update. So far I've been last update we have the F-15E. So right now I'm currently halfway grinding there, and yeah, well, last update is the F117, F-15E, and then on the USSR we have Su-34 on the last update, but yeah. Yeah, once again, I'm repeating myself here, but yeah, F-15E. I haven't got F-15E because I pretty much on this patch I've been grinding the US Bomber 3. So right now I already got the two of the F111 artwork researched, and yeah, I'm in the middle of grinding them now. So yeah, it won't be long until I got my F-15E, and then other than grinding the US Bomber 3, I also grinding my USSR Fighter 3. So so far I already reached the MiG-21 SMT. So right now I'm in the middle of grinding a MiG-23, and then after I got this, I will switch to grinding Su-17M2 and then Su-17M4. Once I got them, I will grind no, I'm wondering which one I should grind first, MiG-29 or Su-27. Um let's see. We got all aspect IR, all aspect active radar homing. Okay. So the MiG-29 got active radar homing, which is good. I could grind that, but my country Air Force uses Su-27, so I guess once I unlock the rank 8, I would, well, obviously I would grind the flanker first. So Su-27 and then Su-27 SM. Now I'm wondering where Su-33 will be put into. I think it should be this one because this is the Russian naval aircraft. I mean, Yak-38 and Yak-141 is a naval-based aircraft, so carrier-based aircraft, sorry. So I'm guessing Su-33 will be put in this one. But I'm more concerned about the future Su-30. Now, my hunch said that Su-30 will be on this one because it's kind of a multi-role attacker kind of aircraft. So much more similar to F-14E. Sorry, F-15E, the Strike Eagle. Su-30 is much more the analog comparison to that rather than Su-34 because Su-34 is much more focused on the bomber role. Well, F-15E, although it's an attacker, its application is it is pretty capable in air-to-air as well. So yeah, it's different than the Su-34. So in my opinion, Su-30 will be the correct, I should say, the correct nemesis, I should say, or the arch enemies, the counter, not really a counter, but the equal to F-15E. So yeah, I'm quite wondering where Su-30 will be put on these three. I'm making a bet it will be on this one because I don't think it'll be after Su-27 SM because after Su-27 it will be Su-35, and after MiG-29 it will be MiG-35. After this one will be Su-33, and then maybe MiG-29K, the naval version of MiG-29 will be on this one. What comes after Su-34? I have no idea. But yeah, I'm willing to bet Su-30 will be put after Su-25. So yeah, I will have to grind this line as well. So man, I'm stuck at B3. Yeah, I'm still so far behind, guys. 40 years SR3. And then for the Germany, yeah, no progress. I haven't focused my attention much on German 3 on this patch. I mean, the latest version is still, I'm still stuck at MA262, and I already got my Heinkel 160, but yeah, mid grind, I decided to switch back and grind the German attacker tree because I wanted to fly the Alpha Jet. It seems like a cool aircraft to have, but I asked players how it felt to fly this jet, and they said that this jet is awful. I don't know if that is true or not, but yeah, I'm still stuck at the rank 5 of German 3. So Great Britain, yeah, I haven't touched this 3 on this patch, so we can skip that. Japan, a little bit of an update. I got the Squadron F5E FCU. I haven't grind grind yet, grind it, grind it yet. As you can see, yeah, I just played one match, one RRB match, and that's it. So yeah, no further update on this one. China, yeah, the same. No update. Italy, no update. Other than I almost got the event vehicle, so yeah, I will get it soon. For France, the same. No update here. Oh, there we go. My match just ended. Let's see. I want new booster. Okay. Okay. Fonts. Yeah, I still haven't touched it. I recall this will be the Rafale because we have the FIE naval aircraft line jet fighter. Then this would be the Rafale, or is it after Mirage? Hmm. I don't know which tree they will put the Rafale, but yeah, since I'm still so far behind on the French tree, I will grinding on the researching the wrong tree is not my concern, not my current concern. So we will we'll worry about that once we already finish the US and the Soviet tree. Sweden, not much going on here, and Israel, not much going on there. For the Germany army, I got the Leopard 2 A4, which is my my target for grinding War Thunder, which is to get my country armed forces vehicles. So Leopard 2 A4 is definitely my end goal. So I don't know which vehicle I should grind in Germany. So right now I'm just planning to fully grind the rank 7, and then I can switch 3. I don't know which ground 3 I will research next. So yeah, I will worry about that once I finish the German 3. USSR 3, not much, still stuck at early match. Britain as well, Japan, China. Yeah, the only ground 3 I've grinded so far is the German one. And yep, alright, looks like I got my event vehicle done. I got the IAR-93B, the Yugoslavia attacker. Go on. Yes. It will be on this one. Okay, let's see it. All right, we got ourselves a event vehicle. From the rumors that I got, this plane is bad. But yeah, it got a pretty decent beginner loadout. Definitely um, doable. I mean, well, it is doable, but flyable, usable, I should say. So, yeah, I'm not planning to crack an Italian tree so far. So, spading this vehicle it can wait for sure. Um, yeah, I think that's it for the update. Yeah, I'm currently grinding. Oh, I'm 15k RP to go. So yeah, I will get MiG-23 soon, and then I'm switching to Su-17, and then Su-17 M4. After that, I can finally get my hands on Su-27. And a matter of fact, we got the bicolor camouflage is my country camouflage. You see, TNI AU here, the Tentara Nasional Indonesia Angkatan Utara. So basically translate to the Indonesian National Army Air Force. Well, Army is ground unit, right? Then the Tentara Soldier National Indonesian National Soldier Air Force. I don't know. Let's just say Indonesian Air Force. This is the roundel. This is my country flag. Got the TS, which is stands for I don't know. Yeah, I should really learn my own country coding. We can see TS2701. So is that code for interceptor Su-27 first unit? Bicolor painting sim of the Indonesian Air Force. There you go. So yeah, it will be soon I get my hands on this guy, which is my objective of playing War Thunder. So yeah, once again guys, see you on the next one. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the Hugobine paint scheme from S Combat Zero for my MiG-21 SMT. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. And yeah, I'm excited for the Rafale because Rafale, my country also ordered Rafale. So after US3, I'll get USSR 3. After that, we can finally focus on the French 3. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Alright, and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today, this is December 16th, and this is the time of the update. So we are greeted by this Windows. So yeah, storm warning major update. This will be the last major update of 2024. And as a summary, we would get these vehicles for USA. We got the HSTVL cousin, the RDF LT M44. For Germany, lots of vehicles. We have M44, Strela, SBA, Panzer 2000. This is the artillery, and then we got the 3 Tiger World War II packs. And USSR, we have the BMD 4M, which is premium. Great Britain, another Strela M44, Japan M44, China, etc. Well, you guys can read this yourself. However, this is the ground vehicles. The main attraction for this Christmas update is the aircraft. So, well, according to the name, Storm Warning, we have the Eurofighter Typhoon, and it comes for German, Great Britain, and Italy. Yeah, you can see it. For the USSR, we have our new squadron vehicle, which is the Su-33, which is I'm kind of yes and no, because well, I'm currently at the top tier of USSR, so it will take a while for me to get the Su-33. If it were a normal tactic, I would get it sooner, but since it's a squadron vehicle, it will take a while. But yeah, as I said before, Great Britain got the Typhoon FGR-4, Japan got the a bunch of new Thailand aircraft. It also got the top tier Gripen. Italy F2000A, French. Oh, Rafale CF3. Okay, it's the F3 variant. And then we got helicopter, a premium Apache for France, specifically for the Dutch country. And then for the battleship, we get the Z4 Zerstoher, Erzherzog, Archangels, HMS Rodney, RN Ghibli, and La Galissonière. For new location, we have the Greece, Attica, and we got some few improvement, which is pretty much tip the balance of power towards the close air support players. Well, at least on the realistic battle. For me, as a simulator battle, this is a much needed change, in my opinion. So yeah, we got a bunch of new change log, but yeah, however. Okay, last week or maybe a few days ago, but if it were on the video, it'll be well, a few minutes ago. So I already do some reaction to the trailer, and I already showed you my account progress, and today I'm going to show you the progress that's happening between those gaps. So now I'm currently researching SU-27, so I already fully speeded my mix 17, almost speeded it, and then MiG-23 I also almost speeded it. I only need one more modification. My plan is to play SU-17 M2 and then speed it on the simulator battle. Right now I'm currently grinding this incendiary napalm bomb, so I can take out enemy bases much more efficiently. After that, SU-17, it will take 224, so around half 224, and hold on, let's this is 20, 30, 44 plus 224, it's 268, 268. So yeah, around half. So I would speed it this, and then I will grind the SU-17, speed it maybe around the half, and then I will finally get myself on my SU-27. So yeah, that's it for the update. Now I'm going to change a few things. My squadron search, no, my squadron vehicles. Oh yeah, squadron vehicles. Right now I'm currently researching JF-17 because we have leaks that the Southeast Asian nation will come to China Tech 3. So yeah, I'm currently grinding this JF-17 Thunder on that exists on the Chinese tree. But since yes, Su-33 comes along, I would gladly research for that guy. And let me see. Preview. Let's create a user skin just in case if someone managed to create a combat skin. we can import it. Let's see what. Nah, this is the same. There's only one skin, standard. Let's see the weapons. All spec IR, pretty normal, and this is the semi-active. Let's see the modification. ER is the radar, ET is the long range IR, this is the all spec IR. We got plenty of bombs to choose from. These are 250s, 500, 500, 100, 250 incendiary, lots of incendiary. That should be fun. A bunch of 250, a couple of rockets, big rockets. Yeah, plethora of air-to-ground ordnance to choose from. This is basically a multi-role aircraft. So yeah, it is a tad heavier than the Su-27, but yeah, they're pretty much the same PR. So I guess PR wise they are correct. Yeah, not much you can do about that. Let's see, let's compare. This is well, pretty much equal. How many missile can you equip? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10. Let's see, Su-33. This one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So yeah, you get 2 additional missiles, but you're being way more heavier. And what else? Nothing, I guess. You're being heavier, but you could get +2 missile on your sortie, which is holy shit. Lots of missile. So yeah, the day I will get Su-33 will be the day I will be very much happily playing War Thunder on Sim over and over again. So yeah, my plan is to get Su-27, and then after that I could get myself to Su-27 SM, and then my objective, at least for now, is over. My country Air Force uses Su-27 and Su-30. Right now I don't know which tree they will put Su-30. Will it be after a Tiger? Because Su-30 is a multi-role kind of aircraft. Or will it be after Su-27 SM? I don't think so. Maybe they would add a Prim Su-37 Terminator, and then after this it will be Su-35, because well, it's a single seat flanker tree, and this will be the 2-seater variant. The multi-role is much more of a air superiority line. But yeah, if Su-30 were added here, I would have to go back all the way to the rank 2 and grind. Yeah, it will be the same news as the US F-15E3, which I grind the whole bomber tree just to get to the end here. Yeah, I'm currently halfway there, but currently I'm focusing on the Soviet tree. So yeah, I would like to get my hands on Su-27 flanker soon. Yeah, I'll get Su-27, Su-27 SM, maybe finishing up with the Fulcrum's family. After that, yeah, I'll go back and then grind the Frogfoot just in case if the Su-30 were added here. So yeah, that's it for the today update. Yeah, so Merry Christmas, everyone. Congratulations for the German player. You guys finally get your Eurofighter Typhoon after stuck with F4 ice for so long. Beautiful aircraft. And then for the French player, yeah, you get your Rafale. Beautiful aircraft. This is the F3 variant. My country currently ordered the F4 variant, so of course it'll be after this, after the F3. So yeah, from the video that I've gathered, not much different between F3 and F4. F4 got the HMD, but F3 do not. I don't know if this got HMD or not. But yeah, after I'm done with the SSR, I'll finally finish up my my France Tech 3, which is currently still sitting at rank 3. Yeah, I already had a blast on with the Mirage 2K CS4 variant, but yeah, it'll be fun grinding the rest of the tree. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the battleship. Yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for every and each one of you. So yeah, bye bye. Bye 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 bye.